Hello, my name is Rebecca May, and I'd like to welcome you to the third course in our study of SEO, Optimizing a Website for Search. In this course, we move past research and into more hands-on techniques for drawing traffic to your site. You will be taking what we learned in the previous courses and putting it into action to obtain the best results for you and your clients. This course is divided into 4 modules and will guide you through the worlds of keyword research and application, advanced on-page SEO, local SEO, and creating an SEO campaign. Beginning with keywords, you'll learn how to research, select, and apply this powerful tool to optimize your website. You'll also learn about the art of identifying and analyzing your competitors and learning how they think. In the second module, we'll take the next step toward optimization by exploring how content can help translate clicks into increased sales or traffic. What makes a strategy succeed and what makes content great? We'll answer these questions and learn how to conduct effective content analysis, internal content audits, and how to build a domain-level content strategy. In Module 3, we'll take a close look at local SEO strategy and how to optimize your Google business pages, on-site content, and external references to give you higher visibility in the local search landscape. We'll also look at the elements that contribute to a strong local SEO strategy. Finally, in Module 4, we'll discuss the human factor of SEO. How do you establish and maintain relationships with your clients? How do you manage expectations and track and report progress? These are important questions that lie at the heart of SEO. It's about helping your clients achieve the goals they have set for their websites. By the end of this course, you'll be able to apply your new skills in research, analysis, and strategy development to help your clients achieve their website and business goals.